Hey, glad you're here. Let me walk you through something I've been using every day, something that surprised me more than I expected. It's the EVO-T1. And if you're the kind of person who's done pretending basic hardware is good enough, stay with me, because this thing shifts the way you work and play. You'll feel it instantly if you're someone who builds, creates, edits, streams, or just refuses to lose momentum because of slow machines. This is for you if performance isn't just a spec sheet thing, it's part of your identity. The kind of person who notices quality the moment your hands hit it. Before we go deeper, check the current price and stock while you listen. This one fluctuates, and you don't want to miss the good window. You probably already knew it was time to upgrade. Not because your old setup was unusable, but because you kept hitting those annoying limits. The micro lags in your timeline. The stutters during heavy multitasking. The way a few Chrome tabs, a render, and a game running in the background made everything feel like it was crawling. You outgrew that phase without even realizing it. The first day I switched to this, the relief hit me fast. Not excitement, relief. The kind where you stop fighting your own computer and finally just flow. When you drop something like the Ultra 9 into your life, you feel this quiet confidence kick in. You're no longer negotiating with performance. Everything just moves. Picture your actual routine with it. You're editing 4K footage while exporting another project, and it still feels smooth. You're jumping between your game, your music, your browser, your files, all without that creeping fear that a freeze is coming. Even simple things feel better. Booting up. Loading apps. The way it responds to you. It's not about numbers, it's how the speed feels in your hands, in your day. If you haven't checked the price yet, do it. Don't wait for stock swings or weird jumps, because this model is known for it. And yeah, maybe you're wondering if it's too much. Too powerful. Too premium. But here's the truth, every time you consider settling for something weaker, something inside you hesitates. Because you already know what you want. You don't want to buy another mid-tier machine now and upgrade again in a year. You want the thing built to last. And you'll feel it the first time you load up your workflow and the machine doesn't even flinch. The surprise benefit is how quiet the whole experience feels. Not silent, but calm. Even under pressure, you don't get that jet engine panic mode. It stays composed, like it was designed for people who push hardware without wanting to hear it scream. There's a real pride that comes with owning something on this level. It sits on your desk and reminds you that you chose power, not compromise. You feel different when your gear matches the ambition you already carry. Fast workflow uplift, smoother gaming response, sharper multitask control, stronger creative momentum, more headroom for future upgrades, slightly larger footprint than a tiny mini PC. You'll want fast external storage to match its pace, but honestly, at some point the comparison loop has to stop. You know when something fits you. And if this is the one you keep coming back to, trust that instinct instead of delaying the upgrade you'll wish you made sooner. If you're ready, check the current price and pick it up now. This is the kind of machine you buy once and feel good about every single day after.